Don't boss me. Okay? This little task. What is it again?
Boss, the guy doesn't want to play ball. I hear he's a Boy Scout.
Boy Scout? Where on earth do we have Boy Scouts these days? Boy Scout, they say brigade the trail, not Boy Scouts to trail. They've gone extinct. Mais what?
So, boss, what do we do? I mean, he won't collect. He left everything intact. Boss, I think...
Don't venture doing that. Think in my presence? Come on. We do the thinking and you do the execution. Okay?
Yes, boss.
Thinking is above your pay grade. You have to keep monitoring. Everyone has a weakness.
She won the bid. How come she wasn't informed?
That was Mr. Babi's schedule, sir. As Director of Finance, he was to inform the winner in talk terms.
Get me, Mr. Baby.
Yes, sir.
I am a bit curious though. When and how did you realize the alleged infraction?
His arrogance or greed. Akwana ye dre, no saying greedy. That is why he's going down like that.
How? I don't understand.
He sent me an email authorizing me to award the contract to his wife, Neri. I was shocked and surprised because we all knew who had won the contract. But the power had gone into his head so much that
I have some people that I want you to meet. Grant them audience.
Has this got anything to do with the call I got this morning, sir?
I don't deal with details. And that's another thing. It's on a need-to-know basis. Just listen to them and facilitate their business. It's a small price to pay for greatness. Good day, Nana Kwame.
Isabella, Miniyano.
Kwame is so stubborn. I told him to mention this to the police, but he wouldn't listen to me.
But I thought you guys made a complaint yesterday. What was that about?
That was for another case, something that happened yesterday. 4 men approached my car. I don't know who they're after. Is it me or yeah? I have no idea.
How many times have I not told you not to creep on me like that?
I'm sorry, boss.
Why lock is Omanbapa court? Come on!
Sorry, boss.
What is the problem?
The boys wanted permission to move to the next level.
Tell them to go ahead, but they should strike hard! Okay? Strike hard! Flow like a butterfly now, be steaming like a beer. Not with this time. Hey!
Inspector Awodu, which one of you is Abebio?
Myself, Edmond Abebio.
Kwame Brimpong?
Onye, that's him.
Mr. Kwame Brimpong, you're under arrest for fraud. Whatever you say will and can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, we shall appoint one for you. Do you understand these rights as I've read them to you?
What's going on here?
Arrested.
For what?
What's going on?